Assalamu alaikum everyone. So this is historical. If you're on Discord, you do know yesterday I did give the trade here bonk, buy at 1643, sell at 1829, right? So that was an 11%, absolutely free of cost to the 3,000 people that I have on Discord right there. So it could have been one of them, and it's something I'm going to be doing on a monthly basis where I do try to give you out something for free just for you to get the enjoyment. So basically right now from the entry yesterday we've actually been up of nearly right over there 6.77%. I want you to comment Discord if you're serious to join in there, and I'll generate the invitation link for you. And in here we are still in the middle right now. Okay, so the pump has already happened, we're in the middle, and I do expect to see things eventually coming up to that technical target, right? So it's a very, very, very possible target right over there, that which is going to complete 11%. And even better is that if things get incredibly well, if they do get really, really well, then probably you will see bonk moving up to 2287. It's going to be a little bit hard to say, but maybe if you do cross 1912, right? If you cross 1912, you really have strong chances of actually pushing up to 2287. Now the reason why I say that crossing 1912 is going to be important is because when you come up to maybe 1829 or near 1800 zone, you have a little bit of that resistance up here as well. Okay, so you do have that little bit of a resistance that can actually cause a little bit of trouble. So I would actually even say selling at 1795 can actually be a good idea, because that's where you have your first touch, second one, and the third one. And then eventually when you cross it, when you cross this right over here, then you have another little bit of that resistance over there, right? Because you do have one touch, two touch, you come up here, you're going to make another trend line right over there. Now when that is done, then we might actually see the move up for good if you do end up crossing all that resistance, because any price after this is totally free. We don't have any other resistance. We don't have it here, we don't have it here, and we have this opportunity that we see bonk coming up to 2287. Now October is coming up, and if the threat of September is over, if Bitcoin dropping down to $52,000 was the end of it, then maybe, just maybe, we're about to see crypto being cool once again. It has been bad ever since March all the way to September. So I have now more excitement because I'm really excited for what is about to happen in Q4. And I think any coin, let alone bonk, any coin is about to perform. So one thing I may suggest, get something for the long term, get something for the next 12 months. I'm telling you this for free because since you're in crypto, try to get something for the long term. Always try to get something for the long term. And buy just what you can. I'm not giving any financial advices, but since you still have to invest in something, buy something just a little bit, right? Keep it and forget it and come back after some couple of months. And to be exact, it's going to be almost 12 months later. Come back 12 months later. I really, really can tell you with a lot of confidence, you're going to be surprised. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one, office.